Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. Friday morning, time to track down what's going on with the major currency pairs. Of course, it's Friday, day before the weekend, so we got a very volatile week. So definitely with a couple of very good opportunities on the majors, especially. We're gonna take a look at about a couple of minutes. So first, let's make a quick recap of the economical calendar. So finally we have a Brexit deal. Yeah, this is definitely the event of the year, since everybody is watching, everybody is waiting for the Brexit deal. So it's a fact. Yes, yesterday Boris Johnson simply announced that, and this was the event of the day and definitely of the year. GBP is going to be very interesting to trade. Great British Pound is very volatile, went up to 1.30. We're going to take a look in about a couple of minutes. And we got very red crude oil inventories yesterday. Despite the negative data about the crude oil inventories, we saw the crude oil going up. So this is the correction that we've been expecting, and we expect even to go further to the upside. Retail sales in UK 8:30 GMT for Thursday, and today we have only one speech. Bank of England Governor Carney is going to give a speech 5:45 GMT time, PM in the afternoon, and this is why the GBP is going to be very volatile today. As usual, we start with Euro US dollar. As we see, it tested the resistance 1.1116, and right now it's trying to push lower, but since it closed above it, we can see further continuation to the upside, even though we are still in a bearish trend. This correction here, you shouldn't you shouldn't get yourself confused with uptrend. It's totally downtrend, still downtrend of the euro. We have this resistance line, we have it very strong, tested couple of times, so I'm not going to be surprised if we see a strong drop to the downside today of the euro. GBP US dollar, of course, the star on the forex market, 1.30, reached almost 1.30, and right now it's heading down. And here is exactly the same situation like with the euro. Be careful when you take any trade, guys, on the euro and GBP. Just be a little bit more cautious. If you want to take trades, take it, no problem, but be more cautious with very limited risk management. So GBP, I'm expecting to see correction to the downside, and it's not just a correction, much bigger drop than this one what's happening right now. So I'm gonna wait for good entry levels. Australian US reached the resistance 0.6829, and right now, just since the beginning of the day, it started dropping down, reversing back, but nothing major. This correction we discussed a couple of times, and as you can see, we can even consider that as a head and shoulders pattern, but honestly speaking, I don't use head and shoulders patterns. New Zealand US, what is going on? Breaking out the resistance and trying to push to the upside. So if we see similar price action like this movement, going up, reversing back, testing the support, definitely we can say that the New Zealand dollar is started going in an uptrend. For now, just broke out the resistance. Be careful with the buy trades for now, because it's not so confirmed. USD Canadian, one of my favorites. Canadian dollar, we discussed that breakout on the previous video on Wednesday. It was absolutely simple, very clear. So let's take a look very quickly on the crude oil. Upside momentum, $1.5 per barrel. Crude oil is trying to push higher. I want to see a breakout to 54.82. So this is simply what is going to confirm these big range here that we're having, and we can see simply $60-61 my long-term target of the crude oil. Still, we are not in a bearish trend. USD Canadian, if we see the crude oil, I'm gonna put right now new support level. Just I'm gonna move my resistance to a new support, which is around this level. So as you can see, it was tested here. Price broken the support level 1.30, 137, but not so significantly, and right now it's trying to push higher. If we see the prices ranging around these levels, some price action like this, after that, then this is going to give us a very good breakout trade to short the USD Canadian again. I hope you shorted yesterday. USD Swiss franc, absolutely very clear. We discussed that drop I think Wednesday or Monday's video. We got momentum, we got parity level, tested a couple of times, false breakouts, and it was just beautiful. Beautiful 85 pips drop, just like that. It was super simple trade. And definitely we can expect further drop to the downside 0.98, 0.97. Let's see if I'm searching for good entry levels and I'm gonna take this short again. USD Japanese, and one of my favorites, USD Japanese is staying right on the resistance zone 109 and 108.48. I'm sorry, 109, 108.45. So as you can see, the price yesterday tried to push lower. I think there is a potential to see further drop to the downside. If we see, definitely it's going to confirm the downtrend. We have to start looking for short opportunities. If it breaks out this level 109, definitely we can start looking for buying opportunities on the USD Japanese yen. I am more bearish right now simply because it reached the resistance, very strong resistance zone plus round number 109. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Of course, thumbs up, like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments below, share us and like us on the social medias. If you have any questions to me, you know how to reach me. 1 billion signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. And of course, have an amazing weekend, have some fun, and expect my video on Monday. Enjoy.